Hello students, today we are going to start with our next chapter, section and midpoint formula. So before starting with the section formula, let us revise some of the things that we have done in our previous class. So in our chapter coordinate geometry, we have seen distance formula. So distance formula gives us the distance between the 2 points in the coordinate system. So let us say that the 2 points in coordinate system are given by x1 y1 and x2 y2. Then the distance formula is equal to d is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is what we have seen in our previous class. We also know that if some point lies on the x-axis, so for any point on x-axis, one thing is fixed, that is the coordinate of y, means y is equal to 0. And for any point on y-axis, so here x is always equal to 0. These are the things that we have done in our previous class. Now section formula. So in the case of section formula, this formula gives us the coordinates of the points that divides the join of any 2 points in the ratio m1 is to m2. For example, let us say that the 2 points on a plane are given by P point and Q point, where the coordinates of P are x1 and y1 and coordinates of Q are x2 and y2. So this section formula gives the coordinates of some point. Let us say that that point is R. So this section formula gives us the coordinates of this point R. If this point R divides the line joining P and Q in the ratio m1 is to m2, then the coordinates of this point R will be x comma y. And the section formula says that the coordinates of x will be equal to, so here we will be cross multiplying, so this will give m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, and the coordinates of y are given by m1 y2 plus m2 y1 over m1 plus m2. So this is called as a section formula. Now taking questions from exercise 13a. First question is, calculate the coordinates of the point P which divides the line segment joining A 1, 3 and B 5, 9 in the ratio 1 is to 2. So in the solution part of this, I am talking about exercise 13a, and now I am taking question number first. Question says, coordinates of point A are 1, 3 and coordinates of point B are 5, 9, and we have to find the coordinates of point P that divides this given line in the ratio 1 is to 2, and we have to find the value of x comma y, sorry. So let the coordinates of point P be x comma y, and now using section formula, x is equal to, we will write the formula first, is m1 x2 plus m1 y2 over m1 plus m2, and here x1 y1 is 1 3, x2 y2 is 1 5, so this is x1 y1, and this is x2 y2, and this is m1 is to m2. So on comparing all these things, we will get x1 equal to 1, x2 5, and y1 3, y2 9, and m1 1 and m2 2. So now using all these things, we will get the coordinates of x as, so x is equal to 1 multiply 5 plus 2 multiply 1. So 1 multiply 5, 2 multiply 1 over 1 plus 2. So 5 plus 2 over 3. So that is equal to 7 over 3. Similarly, the coordinates of y. So y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1, it was x2, over m1 plus m2. So m1 multiply 9, so 1 multiply 9 plus 2 multiply 3 over 1 plus 2. So 9 plus 6 over 3, so that is 15 over 3, so 5. Therefore the coordinates of point P, x comma y are 7 over 3 comma 5. So this is our answer in this case. Now moving on to next question. So the question says, in what ratio is the line joining 2 comma minus 3 and 5 comma 6 divided by the x-axis? So now here we have to find the ratio. So for finding the ratio, we will use the given things. So please remember now one very important note in this case. So here the note number 1 is, so we already know this. We know that for any point on x-axis, y is equal to 0. And the point where the line joining 2 comma minus 3 is divided by x-axis. So on x-axis, we have y is equal to 0. So by using section formula, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 over m1 plus m2 is equal to 0. So this will give us m1 y2 plus m2 y1 equal to 0. So this will lead us to very important thing, m1 y2 is equal to minus of m2 y1. Now if I have to find the ratio m1 over m2, so this will be equal to minus of y1 over y2. Why I am talking about this is, so in some questions we have to find the ratio, then m1 over m2 will be minus of y1 over y2. For example, I was talking about question number 2 now. So in this question, in what ratio is the line joining this and this is divided by the x-axis? So here the answer is m1 over m2 is equal to minus of y1 over y2. So minus of minus 3 over 6. So minus minus plus 3 over 6 is 1 over 2. So the answer will be 1 over 2. So what I have used is, for line joining intersecting at x-axis, the ratio will be equal to minus of y1 over y2. And similarly, for some point on y-axis, the ratio will be m1 over m2 will be equal to minus of x1 over x2. So here in the question number 3, in what ratio is the line joining 2 comma minus 4 and minus 3 comma 6 divided by the y-axis? So here I will use this relation. So it will be minus of 2 over minus 3. So answer will be 2:3. This is the shortcut that I am saying. Now looking at the solution part that we have to use. So this thing we can note. So for a point on x-axis y is equal to 0 and the ratio will be m1 over m2 equal to minus of y1 over y2. And now second point to note is on y-axis we have x is equal to 0 and the ratio we will get is m1 over m2 equal to minus of x1 over x2. Now I am moving on to the solution part of the question. So I am taking question number second. So question says the line joining 2 points 2 comma minus 3 and 5 comma 6, and we have to look where this line intersect the x-axis. So on x-axis we know that y is equal to 0, means m1 y2 plus m2 y1 over m1 plus m2 is equal to 0. So from here we will get m1 y2 plus m2 y1 is equal to 0. So m1 y2 equal to minus of m2 y1. So m1 over m2 is equal to minus of y1 over y2. So here this is y1 and this is y2. So minus of 3 divided minus of minus 3 over 6. So this will give us 1 over 2. So here m1 over m2 or m1 is to m2 is equal to 1 is to 2. This is the answer for this part. Now similarly in question number third, question says in what ratio is the line joining 2 comma minus 4 and minus 3 comma 6 divided by the y-axis. So in this case we will take x is equal to 0. So on y-axis we have x is equal to 0. So therefore using section formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 over m1 plus m2 is equal to 0. So we will get m1 x2 equal to minus of m2 x1. So from here we get m1 over m2 equal to minus of x1 over x2. So here we have in question number third we have the points 2 comma minus 4 and the second point is minus 3 comma 6. So x1 is 2, so minus 2, and x2 is minus 3. So ratio is 2 over 3. So therefore in this part the ratio is 2 over 3. Now I am taking question number 5th. Question is in what ratio does the point a comma 6 divide the join of minus 4 3 and 2 comma 8. So we have to find the ratio first and then we have to find the value of a also. So here looking at the question, this coordinate is given already. It is given as a comma 6. So value of y is given, y coordinate is given, so we will be using this. So this question says, so here 2 points are given. First point is minus 4 comma 3 and second point is 2 comma 8, and we have to find this point a comma 6. We have to find the ratio first and then we will find the value of a. So let the ratio be m1 is to m2, and here coordinates of y is given, so we will use section formula and we will use the value of y. So using section formula y is equal to 6 is given, so y is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 over m1 plus m2, and this is given as equal to 6. So now m1 and y2 is 8 plus m2 multiplies, so y1 is 3 over m1 plus m2 is equal to 6. So 8m1 plus 3m2, and now cross multiplying this will give us 6m1 plus 6m2. Now I'm taking m1 on the left side, so 8m1 minus 6m1, and taking m2 part on the other side, so 6m2 minus 3m2. So this is 2m1 is equal to 3m2, therefore m1 over m2 is equal to, again cross multiplying, so it is equal to 3 over 2. Therefore the ratio is given as 3 over 2, or 3 is to 2. This is the answer for the first part. Now we have to find the value of a. So now once again using section formula, a is the x coordinate. So here a is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 over m1 plus m2. So here we have already found this, so this is given as 3 is to 2. So a is equal to 3 multiply 2 plus 2 multiply minus 4 over 3 plus 2. So 6 minus 8 over 5, so it is equal to minus 2 over 5. And this is the answer for the next part. Now very important question, and please pay special attention to this type of questions, means in which the diagram is already given. So here the point P 5, minus 4 divides the line segment AB as shown in the figure in the ratio 2 is to 5. We have to find the coordinates of point A and B. So looking at this figure, x-axis, y-axis, and this is the given line. So in the solution part of this, I am talking about question number 13th. And this diagram is given. Here it is O, this is y-axis, and this is x-axis. This point is A, and this point is given as B, and here some point is given as P 5, minus 4. Now looking at the question very carefully, we have to take care of this ratio 2 is to 5, and this is dividing the line AB. So A is given here and B is here, so this is 2 and this is 5. So here this is 2 and this is 5, means I'm talking about the ratio. And since this point A lies on the x-axis, so therefore the coordinates of A will be equal to, so here y will be equal to 0, so it will be equal to x, 0. And since point B lies on the y-axis, so therefore the coordinates of B will be 0, y. Now in short, what is given here is this. If I am saying that this point is A, this point is B, the coordinates of this point are x, 0, the coordinates of B point are 0, y, and this point P is given as 5, minus 4, and looking at the this. So since A lies on x-axis, therefore coordinates of A are x, 0. Also B lies on y-axis, therefore coordinates of B are of the form 0, y. So here using section formula, m1 x2, so it is 5 multiply x plus 2 multiply 0 over 5 plus 2 is equal to value of x, that is given as 5, is equal to 5. So 5x over 7 is equal to 5, this is 0. So 5 will get cancelled with 5, so x is equal to 7. Also 5 multiply 0 plus 2 multiply y over 5 plus 2 is equal to the coordinate of y, so that is given as minus 4. So that is 2y over 7 is equal to minus 4, so this will get over 2, so y is equal to minus 14. So we have to find the coordinates. So therefore coordinates of A are, it is x comma 0, so that is 7 comma 0, and coordinates of B are 0 comma y, so that is 0 comma minus 14. So this is our